Visit snowx.shop and check available digital gift cards. We have Binance gift cards, so now we can log into our account. Create one if you do not have one. Now go to Digital Gift Cards and choose a Binance Ethereum gift card, or any other of your choice. I will choose a 2K gift card. Add to cart and proceed to checkout. Choose any USDT coin of your choice to complete the purchase. The price of this gift card is $301. Pay the exact amount to the address or QR code shown. Click on Pay Now after you have sent your payment. Your order is complete. You will receive all transactional email notifications at your respective email address. Click on View Order Details and download the order file. Save it to your computer or phone and extract the contents. You will get all your gift card code and instructions to redeem. Copy the code and visit the Binance website. Log into the account you want to redeem to. Currently, I have a 0 total assets balance. Go to the Gift Cards tab and paste your copied gift card. Click on Redeem, Confirm to redeem. And wait for the window to load. Our Ethereum balance has been successfully updated. You can withdraw or trade the crypto as you wish. Buy more gift cards on snowx.shop.